everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Gold. So it's back mask day. And I just did my makeup. Ang ganda ng lashes ko, yung sa Eliza yan. The call time is 1:30. But it's actually just assembly time naman. And sobrang init, sobrang daming tao. So might as well come maybe like 2:30. Last day naman na, guys. So if magko-commute ako, siguro mga 2 to 3 hours yun. But naka-makeup kasi ako now. And ayoko naman na mag-commute ako and ganap na ganap ako, diba? So I just figured na I will just book a Grab. I'm just gonna vlog today. And wala lang for the memories because up until now, I still enjoy watching my welcome walk. Parang, oh my gosh, I've come a long way. So, this one naman, it's the present. Sana mapanitigan ko na mag-vlog kasi wala lang, sana lang. Okay, so this is my look in natural lighting. Parang slay naman siya. I'm just wearing heels. I don't usually wear heels to school. Like, first time ko lang gagamitin to sa school. But I figured it's the perfect time since it's the last day I'm gonna be wearing type A. Tsaka parang special naman siya since baccalaureate mass. So might as well dress up since naka-makeup na din naman ako. Hi again.
This question is something that we really cannot forget. Siguro next time, make sure to put it is it positively or negatively. Yung negatively, I think we all know who. And we finally did it. Congratulations. We are congratulations, everyone.
Guys, ang init. It's so hot. Bad trip na kami. Tsaka ang humid. Tapos amoy lupa. Pero tignan mo naman. Mukha namin. Kaka-plastic paper lang yan. Puro payong lang. Ay, thank you!
The USD AMV College of Arts. In the country.
and to perpetuate the values and truths that
Oh my god, that's so bright. Congrats, Sophia. CPA na yan. Welcome to my vlog. Congrats, guys. Itong dalawa!
Sulat-sulatan lang sa mga hindi na ako nagpasulat kasi saan ako pagpapit na
Galigues, the gold egg.
Goal!